ABC Reading Hub.
Hello, kids. Welcome to our English reading practice. Today, we are going to learn and practice greetings. Greetings are words we use when we meet or say goodbye to people. For example, we say good morning, hello, or how are you? Let's have fun practicing different greetings together. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. How are you? How are you? How are you doing today? How are you doing today? What's up? What's up? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How's it going? How's it going? Long time no see. Long time no see. Glad to see you again. Glad to see you again. Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Welcome back. Welcome back. Let's play together. Let's play together. I miss you. I miss you. Good morning, class. Good morning, class. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher. Hello, students. Hello, students. I'm happy to see you. I'm happy to see you. Hi, best friend. Hi, best friend. How are you today, teacher? How are you today, teacher? I'm ready to learn. I'm ready to learn. May I come in? May I come in? Have a nice day, teacher. Have a nice day, teacher. See you tomorrow, teacher. See you tomorrow, teacher. Hi, what's your favorite game? Hi, what's your favorite game? It's nice to see you. It's nice to see you. Hello, how was your day? Hello, how was your day? You look happy today. You look happy today. Have a great day. Have a great day. Wishing you a fun day. Wishing you a fun day. Let's start today. Let's start today. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher. What's new with you? What's new with you? Good to see you, friend. Good to see you, friend. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing well. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, my friend. Hope you're having fun. Hope you're having fun. Hi, buddy. Let's play. Hi, buddy. Let's play. Hi, let's be friends. Hi, let's be friends. Hi, what's your favorite color? Hi, what's your favorite color? Hello, let's have fun together. Hello, let's have fun together. Do you want to play with me? Do you want to play with me? Are you new here? Are you new here? I like your smile. I like your smile. This is for you. This is for you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. Let's have fun together. Let's have fun together. Hello, I'm Risa. Hello, I'm Risa. I'm 5 years old. I'm 5 years old. Thank you. Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's okay. That's okay. Excuse me. Excuse me. Congratulations. Congratulations. Great job, everyone. You practice using English greetings like good morning, hello, how are you, and goodbye. Remember to use these greetings every day at school, at home, and with your friends. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. See you next time, and goodbye for now.